Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to buy a Hangars on GTA Online. So guys, it's a very easy step. All you have to do is, at first, just take out your phone, pressing the scroll button on your mouse. And after that, go in the internet and just select it. And go in the money and services and select it. And look for the option for cruises.mazebank.com. So just click on it. And after that, you can go in the filter and click on the Hangar. As you click on the Hangars, only the Hangars are sold that you can buy. So just click it and click on the Buy From. And also guys, you can renovate your Hangar but at extra cost. And just click it on the Buy. So guys, that's how you buy a Hangars on GTA Online. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.